car, but look at this world. Look at this world's imperfection. Got sprayed recently. Imperfection. Check that. Check that. Imperfection. I'll take the other light out later, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is what we have. FN2. Nightwalk black. We're going to detail him today. It's dirty. It's gonna go for a wash first. Not that dirty, as the customer would say. He said it's dirty. It's not that dirty. My car is dirty here. But yeah, so we're getting it all done. So yeah, we're all getting it done quickly for a pre-wash, then wash, and then we take it on. Okay, so now we're gonna do our pre-wash foam. So let's go with our diamond guard, I guess. Let's go with that. Let's just strip everything from the car that was on the car. Doesn't come with any glossy effect or anything, so whatever you see is what the real paint is. Let's see. Yeah, boy. Hey guys, black. You say you like black? Look at this. You like black? You wash your car once. You wash your car once. This is the black we get. It's a streak, you can't even see it. I will upload pictures of what I see. Okay, you can maybe now. Yeah, here you go, here you go. So now we're gonna polish all these scratches away. There's more. There should be something on that side. Let's go. See? Imperfection. See, is it dull paint? Look at the line here. Look at the line here. Look at the line. You see that there? You see that there? Yes! This is gonna be a challenge, guys. It's gonna be our first black paint that's soft. And then look at this imperfection here. It's all polished, all polished. But yeah, what can I say? You also start my name. So yeah, that is just a quick walkthrough. We're just busy prepping tape all over. Then we will do our thing. Then we will start with the polishing. Yeah, we're gonna go with a bit of a heavy cut first, and then we're gonna give it a nice glaze afterwards. Maybe like just a quick polish and then a glaze. But for now, there's a lot of swirls, which is fine, it's normal. You guys can see swirl mark low. But this here, you see, lots of big scratches that comes from the spray shop. So we'll try and repair that without going too deep into the clear coat. Yeah, Let's do it. Tron. All preparation done, but we already started to polish anyway. On it, quality. Jelas terstikken plak kan dit, wij doen het plak kan dit. Je kan zien waar die merken ooit. Scratches galore, no scratch. Reflections, hundreds. And this is not even glaze. We're not even on the glaze period yet. We're gonna get there. This is my EV entrance. Yeah, we're gonna get there. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, we covered everything. A lot of dust in the car again now due to the compound. But that's how it is. You just wipe it off and carry on. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, once again, it is time.
Call my name, gotta let me go. Need you to set me free now. Tore me down till you see my bones. Need you to let me be now. Had it all till you let it go. Blamed it all on me, yeah. Pushed me down, now I'm feeling low. Let you walk on me, no. And I said what I needed to say as you watched me drift away. And that part of me seems to know that I really need to let you go. And I said what I needed to say as you watched me drift away. And that part of me seems to know that I really need to let you go.
fading at you. We can cut that fade out, fading paint. Oh, there's a fancy polish. Let's see what can happen. I can see the black heats up quickly, about 2 passes, and I can see the paint actually getting off. So we won't really focus too much on the paint, as it is very difficult. Versus the championship white, I can go 5 passes and it starts heating up. Hence why car wash, swirls, car wash, swirls, car wash, and swirls. Yeah.